Hi little learners, welcome back to your grammar video lessons, and this is Dishita ma'am. Today we are going to start chapter number 26, conjunction. What is the meaning of conjunction, little learners? Conjunctions are joining words. Very good, my dear. Now the learning outcome of this lesson is, at the end of this lesson you will be able to revise the definition of conjunction and joining words. Use the conjunction and or but. Understood? So let's get started. Conjunctions are joining words that joins words or group of words in a sentence. They also join two sentences together. The word and, but, or are some commonly used conjunctions. Now we use for. The meaning of for is because or since, and in addition to, nor, not, but, however, or, either, yet, but, so, therefore. And these are some examples in which we had used these of the conjunction. Now let's try to solve the exercise portion of it. Please come to the exercise portion. In this exercise you need to cut fourth question. Please cut question number 4 and let's see what is in exercise number A. Complete the following sentences with conjunction. I like sugar in my tea. Now dash, I don't like milk in it. But, very good. Little learners, when we use and, but or, who will tell me when we use and, but and or? And. And is the conjunction used to join words and sentences that have related ideas. Whereas conjunction but is used to join words and sentences that have opposite ideas. And conjunction or is used to join the words and sentences in order to show the choice. And let's see here. Listen to the story and answer the questions in complete sentences. Is it Thursday or Friday today? Whenever we need to ask any question or whenever we are saying any choice of sentences, we will always use or. And whenever we are saying the similar kind of sentences, and if we want to join them, we use and. And whenever we want to join some opposite ideas or opposite kind of sentences, we use but. Now let's see the fifth one. We are very tired but happy after our flight to Sydney. Now little learners, it's your homework time for this exercise. Question number 6 to question number 10 is your homework. Please mark it as your homework and come to page number 26. In page number 26, exercise B, choose the correct conjunction is again your homework. It's very easy. You need to join the sentence by the proper appropriate conjunction. Now come to the next exercise C. Fill in the blanks with and but. Anne liked to dance and Bill liked to dance too. Here we are joining two similar ideas, or we are joining two similar ideas sentences. So we are writing and. The TV is on, but we are not watching it. Then she bought a new dress and he bought a new suit. They asked for coffee, but they did not get any. I ate chicken for lunch and I had it for dinner too. Now come to the sixth one. It was cloudy and cold, but it did not snow. Lee can speak Spanish and her sister can speak French. Here we can write but as well. Instead of N, we can also write but. See, Lee can speak Spanish, but a sister can speak French, and her sister can speak French. Jen got a letter from a friend, and so did her sister. Tom likes music, but he can't dance. Dan wrote a check, but he did not sign it. So this is how we had completed our exercise A, B and C. Let's see what is at the back. At the back, we are having one more exercise, that is exercise number D. Fill in the blanks with an, but, because or so. I have got a brother and a sister. Please write it down, A and the and over here. It was very sunny last Sunday. So we went to the beach. Would you like meat or vegetable for lunch? My father likes football, but he doesn't like basketball. Now, it's again your homework time. Question number 5 to question number 8 of page number 27. Is your homework. Now what we had learned today, let us have a quick review of it. We had seen conjunction today, and in conjunction I explained you about and, but and or conjunction. Little learners, conjunctions are what? Conjunctions are joining words. Very good, my dear learners. And if we want to add two similar ideas or related ideas, we use and. If we want to join two opposite ideas, we use but. And if we want to join, or if we want to say or show choice, we use or. For example, we like to dance or play games. Here I use or. Between, we like to dance or play games. And then in conjunction but, the example would be like this. She ate 2 cakes, but she was still hungry. Now the conjunction and. We ate cake and chocolate at the party. See, here are a few of the examples. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. I have to find a new job, for I am unemployed. I am husband and father. Neither my parents nor my friends support me. I've got a home, but I haven't got a car. Which color do you like, red or blue? Tom plays basketball well, yet his favorite sport is football. She was sick, so she could not attend the meeting. In this manner, we had seen conjunction and then we had done the exercise portion, exercise A, in which your homework is question number 6 to question number 10 of page number 25, exercise number A. And fourth question you need to omit. Please cut fourth question. And exercise B is also your homework. Along with it, C exercise we had done here only of page number 26. And at last we had seen exercise number D of conjunction, in which we have to use all the conjunctions and, but, because, or and so. Little learners, if you face any difficulty while solving this exercise or any other exercise of your PA2 revision sheet, feel free to ask me. I'm always there to help you. That's all for today. See you all. Bye. Take care. Thank you. Namaskar. Keep studying.